Hello viewers, thank you, I'm morel. Got this turkey hunting video off right here. It's about 7 o'clock. We're going to ease back into a spot that we hunted the first week where we seen a large gobbler. I'm sure he's still there. But yeah, we'll be over there and let you know kind of what we're going on, what we got going on, and check out the area. See if we can't hear him gobble, maybe fly up. Hope everyone's enjoying the channel because I'm really enjoying making the videos. Stay tuned. It's about 7:30. Sit here in the hour. Yeah, I come across that ridge and I look for some more mushrooms and spots that I have found a few over the years. Next weekend maybe, or after a couple of these warm, sultry nights. Alright. Pretty and green, huh? Well, if you follow the channel off to our left, we sighted that large gobbler the first week of season. Now, hearing this bird gobble and knowing this terrain as we do, we know he likes to roost over here on the right side of this holler. Alright, I'm going to listen. I will hoot. If I do, I'll turn you back on. If it gets gobbling, I'll turn you on also. I'm going to have me a snack. Peaches. Kind of like listening to an ocean inside a conch shell. I can hear the Merrimack down that holler there. It's probably 200 yards, bank full. No trash coming down it. Rusting now or falling, probably falling. Here's the songbirds. 8 o'clock. Gonna try hoot, hoot, hoot. Not so good. One more time. Let's try it again real quick. Let's go try another place real quick. Plan A, Plan B. In the morning, we do Plan C. Yeah, we're going to get on over behind us over there, probably 200 yards, hopefully by 5 o'clock. Sunrise at 6, I believe. Maybe a little after 6, so we can shoot 5:30. I believe we're all good. I'm wrong, been wrong before. And Yeah, we'll get over there. We should hear something from over there for sure. That bird's still over there. I know he is. Call shy, silent bird. Alright, viewers, I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to eat that dinner I showed in the last video. I don't even know if I'm going to heat it up. Going to end this video here. Start the next video in the morning. Coffee, hopefully about 4:30. Now, viewers, if you like this content in this format, please subscribe. Give the channel a thumbs up too. We ain't going nowhere. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe. Thank you. Right.